Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance application. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and also I'm going to leave a $100 bonus sign-up link to Binance in the description below, so check that out. Once you are on Binance to buy Bitcoin, it's really simple. Few ways how you can do this. First one would be to go to your wallets. And on this overview, you can go ahead and click buy option. And you can buy it either on P2P trading from other people or just buy it with your currency. From here, you will need to go ahead and choose Bitcoin. And now you will have all of these options to pay with your card, pay money like Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Easy Bank Transfer, and also Spot Wallet. So if you would choose bank transfer and, for example, choose to buy for 100, you're gonna click buy BTC, and now you're gonna be transferred to that value transfer. So this is one way how you can buy it. Another way I would suggest to do is just go ahead on trade option and click convert and convert it, for example, from USDT, choose Bitcoin and just go ahead and swap it. You would get a better rate for USDT. And of course, another way would be to just use trade spot. So again, you're gonna choose Bitcoin here, and you can choose either USDT, USDC, whatever fits you the best, and buy BTC just like so. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.